What's going on, YouTube? Charles, and today we're going to have another video in the series of My Financial Economy. Today is day 10, and today's subject is going to be car loans. Most people get car loans. Most people don't buy cars cash, and it's that time of the year. It's income tax time. The time you're making this video, and a lot of people they're going to go out and they're going to get a car loan. Most people are going to get out and pay cash. Most people are going to go get a car loan. And today I'm just going to show you the difference in your credit. If you have good credit, whether you have bad credit, whether car loans, long-term effect, short-term effect, they all have wear and tear, but let's get into it. Let's see here. Go to Google. Guess I gotta click the person first. Car loan calculator. Now this is just going to be the monthly cost of a car loan. This is a $25,000 loan at a 3% interest rate. A loan period of only 60 months. Now, sometimes I've seen loans being done for 72 months on cars. Some of these more expensive cars, like these diesel pickup trucks or whatever, these dualies. Some of them they'll go 72 months, and this is $450 a month, and the total cost of the loan is $27,026. So you're only paying back like $2,000. Let's change this interest rate to 10%. Now you're paying back $6,000, and your car note is $531 a month. Let's change it to 12%. And this is all based on if you pay your car note on time. If you pay late, you get late fees, this number will go up. Instead of paying $33,000, which is $8,367, you end up paying more. That's why most people like getting new cars. They like the new smell. They just want to have a new car. They just impress their friends and neighbors, their family members. It's really not worth it. Just get you a nice little decent car to get you back and forth to work until you can get you another car. So you can actually afford a car. If you can't afford one, then don't get it. That's the best advice I can give you. You can't afford a car, don't get a loan. It's just like a credit card. You want to get a credit card and you max out your credit card, and when you turn around, you should be making minimum payments, and you're paying the credit card off $300 in 4 years because you're only making a minimum payment. Same thing with a car. And I'm pretty sure some of these interest rates on these cars go higher than this. Let's say you have let's say 20. I'm not sure if anybody's getting the 20 out there. Let's go to 20. At a 20% interest rate, most people don't think about this, but $25,000 car, $662 a month. Don't seem like a lot, but look at how much more you're paying back. This is how much you're paying the total cost of loan. Again, that's if you pay the complete amount. Like every month, you're paying on time. That's another $14,000 that you're paying back. And that's just a car loan. Imagine the car loan, credit card loan, all of the loans you have, all the credit cards you have. Just imagine all of those bills combined. If you're paying a high interest rate, how much you have to pay back. You're paying almost half of it. Half of this would be like 13. Well, it's pretty paying more than half. It's 14. So you're paying over 100%. Well, not 100%, but you're paying more back than you should. Just go out, figure out how to get your credit right, get it straight, work on it. And you can avoid this. Even if you had it at a 8%, it's cheaper, but it's still much more than you need to pay. What I'm going to do is open another tab. We're just going to look up some prices of cars, some new cars. I'm going to look up a new Toyota Corolla. I know those used to be cheap. New Toyota. Do they even make Toyota Corollas anymore? Let's see. 2019 Toyota Corolla, we're in 2020. See if I can get the price of that. Maybe not. Excuse me. So I have to go to a car dealership and just go to maybe I just do that, go to cars.com or something like that. Cars.com. I'll just go through a couple different cars, prices of the cars, and I think some of these cars are going to be used cars. So I'm just going to go through some of the prices and show you what you'll have and what you'll end up paying. Because a lot of times they'll just try to get you to get in there, knowing that you're going to end up paying more. Because everybody who comes in the car lot, they're not paying 5%. Most people are paying 15 to 20% plus. Let's see. New and used cars. Search by body style. I didn't press any of that, that's automatically showing up. This is new and used both. 20 miles, we go a little further away. If there's a car for $175,000 at cars.com, maybe. What in the world is that? Celto. New Kia. How about, there are all button here. All makes, all models. There we go. Now let's see if we can find within 20 miles of this zip code. Anything? Now this is a, move myself out of the way. Introducing hot cars. Now you can find out which cars are in your area. Guess I was talking too slow. Hot cars. I didn't press any of that, but it came up anyway. Okay, so this has 6,845 results. This is a Chevy Spark. This is a pretty small car, and it's $14,000 for 2020. See if I can put myself out of the way somewhere here. This is a pretty small car. I'm a tall guy. It wouldn't work for me at all. Let's have a family of 7, so that's not gonna work for me. Now they're showing you these Chevy Sparks. You can't fit the Chevy Spark. 15,000. That's the cheapest car they got. Keep going. Got a 19 Chevy Trax 2020. 19,790. Chevy Sonic. Maybe Warrior Rain. Maybe Chevy Trax. Chevy Trax. Sonic. That kind of a small car. Trax. Spark. These like small cars. Maybe small SUVs. Kind of a decent car. I have no idea what Chevy Trax is. I've never heard of those. Sonic. No, thank you. Must be going in alphabetical order. Taxes is a car. Chevy. No Chevy Trax. No Chevy Trax. Let's see if I can do this another way. Dodge Journey. I think I had one of those a while back. That was 25,000, about the same price as the simulator said. That was Dodge Journey, Dodge Journey. I'm going to go all the way to page 50. See if I can skip some pages. Or maybe no. Let's go to 5. So the new Chevy Malibu is $24,000. Chevy Malibu. So you can get yourself a Chevy Malibu. Let's change that amount. 24,000. Interest rate is 8. And that's 60 months. Sometimes they'll try to tell you you have 72 months to make it lower. But look how much you're still paying back. Still paying back about $6,000. Let's change it to 20. Not 2. I don't think they have a 2. 575. That is what, $17,000? That's a lot. 7, 17, 24, 11. Yeah, that's another $17,000. $17,309 to be exact. But you'll pay back if you pay 20% into it. Let's go to 15. $12,000 you have to pay back. 14. go to single digit 10, it's still $8,000 you have to pay back if you pay off down. Guys, I just wanted to make this video to show you what your interest rate, how your interest rate affects your pretty much everything. I mean, your credit score affects pretty much the majority of things you do. Interest rate on the car loan, interest rate on the mortgage, even affects in some places it affects your apartment where you can live. They'll check your credit for your apartment. They're checking it for your insurance. They're starting to check it a lot for your job. So that's an important role that credit plays. It's a video I'm showing what I'm doing to get mine. I'm not really showing, but I'm on a journey where I'm having a company that's taking care of my disputing for me. I'm just paying my bills and waiting on the disputes to come in the mail. I thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something from it. And hope you took something from it that you can learn that would help you on your financial journey as well. Thank you for watching, and you have yourself a wonderful day.